Okay, we had a little bit of a challenge on this slide, so I just want to go over the answers with you. Do you think he is a bad seed? Why or why not? This is indeed a thick question because you could have different opinions. It's about what you think. There isn't one answer. Has there ever been a time when you thought you were a bad seed? Again, conversation starter, thick question. What happened to make him a bad seed? This is a thin question because if you'll remember, he was almost eaten by that guy and then he fell and yada, yada, yada. Why do you think he wanted to change his ways? I would argue that that's probably a thick question because you might have more than one answer. However, I think that one kind of could be in the middle-ish. What broke the seed's fall? That is a thin question. It was gum. How would you feel if people thought you were a bad seed? Definitely a thick question, more than one answer. What is an example of something he did to make himself a good seed? This is a thin question because you can look right in the book and find examples of things he did. And what is an example of something he does that makes him a bad seed? Again, a thin question because you can look straight in the book and find the answer to that. So if you noticed, the thin questions are a lot of what questions, whereas the thick questions are, do you think? Has there been a time? Why do you think? How would you feel? Okay, so hopefully you are starting to see a little bit of a pattern here, and this is making more sense to you. Adios.